Okay, here we are at week 5, lesson 1. I'm going to throw a few more scale exercises at you. I did tons and tons of these growing up and throughout my playing, and I still continue to mess with these here and there, along with my finger exercises. They really make a huge difference in your playing. They're very important. If you really want to excel at guitar, you just got to throw some of these into your practice routine at least every once in a while. Okay? Here we go. Exercise 1. I'm going to take that 4-string pattern that we've been working on, and I'm going to just play it in different ways, different groupings. In this one, I'm going to sort of do a reverse thing. I'm going to start on the 2nd note of the pattern and then hit the open string. Groups of 2 here. So my next group of 2, I'm going to hit the 3rd fret, then the 2nd fret. So you see what I mean about the reverse thing? So 2, 0, 3, 2. Okay. Okay, and then when you get used to doing that, now let's turn around and do it backwards. So let's start on the higher strings and go backwards. Be able to play scales forwards and backwards, inside and out, any different direction, any different move at any one time. So that's why these exercises are real helpful. Okay, in exercise 2, we're going to play in groups of 4. We're just doing different stuff with the scale. You could really make this stuff up yourself. Anything you come up with as an exercise, go for it. It works, all right? It's helpful. 4 notes, then start on the 2nd note of the pattern. Then start on the 3rd note of the pattern. Okay. Okay, now let's do it backwards. Start with a note and go 4 notes down. Then start on the 2nd note of the pattern from where you originally were. Takes a little getting used to. It's going to take you a while to get it right and to get it up to speed, but eventually it becomes second nature. And these are the kind of things you can sit there watching a movie and doing this stuff, and it'll just start to flow after you've worked on it for a while. Okay, exercise 3. We're going to play groups of 5. This is where it starts to get tricky, but hopefully you'll be excited by the challenge. I'm going to start on that open note and play up 5 notes. Okay, now you want to play it backwards. This 5 grouping really gets a little bit tricky. Sometimes if I haven't been doing it for a while, it really messes me up too. But once you get the flow of it, it goes, all right? And there's times when you're playing lead guitar when a group of 5 has a very cool sound to it. So you want to get this kind of thing going, all right? There we go. There's those 3 exercises.